Hello folks, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today, coming at you with another weekly one reason. Once again, I am in a brand new fifth wheel toy hauler. And I want to give you a weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, right? So let's get on with it. Now, we see the microwave mounted right there, right? Unless we get up on close on it, we're not going to see what the issue is. But let me just take my hand here. You can hear it squeaking, right? And if I look above here, I can see the gaps where this is loose from the cabinet above it. You can still see the construction debris on top of this thing. So also in this corner, you can see right here this little lip, but it gets smaller. And that's damage from where this has been hanging here incorrectly. And then it happens again right in here. We see that gap get bigger, and then it gets smaller, and you notice that screw is right behind that area. So, bad microwave in a brand new fifth wheel. Not only a bad microwave, but it's loose. Could fall down. While we're at it, let's take a look at something else real quick. See those cabinets? You can tell the one on the right is sitting a little bit lower than the one on the left. Well, unfortunately, that is because the top hinge is pulled out of the cabinet. So somebody's sitting in that sofa and that thing falls off there, they're going to get hurt. If you're driving down the road, bouncing, microwave could fall off, door could fall off, damage a bunch of other things. So, with your weekly one reason to get an RV inspection, once again, I'm Jason, and you have a nice day.